guys, Matt here. Today is a wheel and tire day. If you've been watching some of our videos over the course of the last few weeks, you've seen that we've been amassing piles of wheels and tires, and today we're going to finally get them mounted up. So right now I have a set of Method 703s. These are for the Raptor. We're going to put BFG K02 37-inch tires on these, and then we also have already loaded up a set of 20-inch TSportline wheels for the Cybertruck that we're going to throw the stock tires on. So we're going to get these and the tires loaded up in the Cybertruck. Max is taking the Cybertruck wheels, and we're all going down to Ace Tire to get everything mounted up, and we'll hopefully be driving back with a full setup in the bed of the Cybertruck for the Raptor and new wheels on the Cybertruck. So I've hopefully got you confused. Let's go get to it. All right, here's a little size comparison, 35s to 37s. It's gonna look good. All right, so we are just wrapping up at Ace Tire. These guys are finishing up mounting the Raptor wheels and tires. I'm standing here next to the Cybertruck. Obviously, it's got the new wheels on it, which look awesome. We've got the factory wheels loaded up. So 5 or 10 minutes, we'll probably be on our way back to the shop, and we'll throw those wheels and tires on the Raptor. All right, so with that, we've got a new set of wheels and tires on our 24 Raptor build. These again are a method race wheel, 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. And then this is a 37-inch K02. We are still on stock suspension, so this is not a setup we would run off-road. In fact, it probably will rub a little bit on the front for kind of daily driving, so we will not let this stay this way for long. We're exploring SDI top hats, iBox springs, collars, something like that. If you've got feedback or suggestions, we'd love to see them in the comments. We're going to make some decisions there really quickly so that we can continue getting this thing set up to take it to events. That's all we got for you this week. We'll see you next Monday.